it is Rue. In today's video, I am dedicating this drink to, right here, Red Line Registration Services. If you're from the Bay Area and you don't want to go to DMV, hit them up, okay? All right, so I am going to make this drink for them. It is the Kentucky Mule. Are you guys ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we are going to grab these ingredients. Bourbon, I have here bullet, ginger beer, and a lime. Homegrown, guys. Hella big too. 3 items. It's tool time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a copper cup, a knife, a jigger, a bar spoon, and a can opener. First step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this lime. It's a really big one from my backyard. Well, not my backyard, but one of my family members' backyard. Look how this is! Oh my gosh, so small! What the hell? Oh, geez, that's interesting. First time I've ever seen a lime like this. It's so funny. We're gonna go ahead and squeeze half an ounce of lime into the drink. And I'm gonna use this jigger here to measure. All right, so what I did was I squeezed the lime into this jigger, and what I'm gonna do now is I am going to pour half an ounce of lime into the drink. Now let's take our bourbon here and open the bottle. What we're gonna do is we are going to pour 1.5 ounce of bourbon into the drink. So here's one. Here's half an ounce. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add ice. Fill it almost to the top here. Now grab your ginger beer, open the drink. If you have a copper cup at home, what you can do is you can fill the drink all the way almost to the top, like right here. If not, you could also use a jigger, and what we're gonna do is we are going to pour 4 ounces of ginger beer. After you pour the drink, grab your bar spoon and give the drink a nice stir. And the last step is to garnish. What I have here is lime twist. And there you go, my friends, a Kentucky Mule. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.